In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your custom HTML template into Mailchimp. Whether you're aiming to give your emails a personalized touch, or you're transferring a polished layout you've already created, this process will help streamline your communications using Mailchimp's robust platform. Before we dive in, make sure you have your HTML file ready, along with any necessary images, all neatly organized on your computer. This preparation will make the importing process a breeze. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to Content and then Email Templates. This is where all the magic happens, a central hub for managing existing templates or crafting new ones. To kick off the process, you'll want to click the Create Template button. This action will guide you to the next step, where you have the opportunity to code your own template. You'll see three options here, each catering to different needs. If your HTML code is already perfected and ready to go, simply choose the Paste in Code option. Here you can paste your HTML directly into Mailchimp's editor. Once that's done, and you've ensured everything looks right, just click Save to preserve your work. Follow that up by selecting Save and Exit to wrap up this task. This method is super efficient if you're comfortable with coding and want to make swift edits directly within Mailchimp. Next, let's talk about the Import HTML option. This approach is ideal if you've got a standalone HTML file saved on your computer. Selecting this option allows you to upload your file directly to Mailchimp. Don't forget to name your template. This will help you easily locate it later. Once your HTML file is uploaded, all that's left to do is click Upload. This straightforward method quickly uploads your fully formed design without any need for additional modifications unless you'd like to make some adjustments later. Lastly, for those of you with more complex setups that include multiple assets, the Import Zip option is your best bet. To use this, you'll need to prepare a .zip file that doesn't exceed 1 MB. Ensure it contains only one HTML file and all the images within the root directory. Upon uploading this .zip file, Mailchimp will automatically handle the upload of your images, recognizing them within the HTML structure. This feature saves time and minimizes the chances of errors with image placements. Whichever method you choose, whether pasting, importing HTML, or importing a zip file, Mailchimp is equipped to handle your template with ease. After following these steps, be sure to carefully review your template. When you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, click Save and Exit to confirm all your hard work is preserved. There you have it, a seamless way to get your custom HTML templates into Mailchimp, ready for your next email campaign.